So this is my first time having my Tesla show its ass. You know, ASS, actually smart summon. This is in the parking lot at work. And you can see my Tesla Model Y driving over to me. Seemed fairly simple. I didn't really give it very much complication here as far as how to get here. But it worked in this limited test. Now I'll show the screen capture of how it looks from within the app. It's interesting because it shows the map view, and then down below will show the camera view that the car is seeing. This will be helpful in a busy parking lot like at Walmart. I'll have to test that out a little bit later. But there it is, Tesla showing its ass.